Kino more than good, brother. I can't complain. I rather helicopter more than complain. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, because this jacuzzi bed here, oh my gosh. Whenever time I lay on it, man. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Whenever time I spread out in it.
Yeah.
Just look at me, man, in it.
Just
oh
bigger
my
than
gosh. In seconds.
You start asleep.
I start asleep. I can't even watch a movie. Just like in the day now, you know. I don't really sleep at the day, but when it touch night.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Fold up. Wow. Colors.
Yo, Kino, what's up, man?
What's up? Calm down. Wow.
Yeah, I got these sheet I washed this sheet today, man.
Yeah. In a sweet
you know what I'm saying?
Jeez.
Yeah, I always buy the sweet thing to sweet out the house, Kino, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't make you guys come visit and the cottage ain't looking good.
Yeah, because you know never feel the way in a sweet.
Yeah. Always have the sweet thing, Kino, man.
Yeah.
Sweet on place, man.
So we are watching here, you watch some long time
dance. That's a dance there, yeah. I think it's over by La Rose. Somewhere over Portmore there.
Back in the days.
Yeah, you got what I'm saying? Oh, Sprat, what's up, bro?
I'm here, brother.
Oh my gosh. Glad to see you, man.
Yeah.
Hey, Kino, you know what I want to tell you? Oh my gosh. You know, said the donors, them.
Yeah.
The donors, you know, they deserve medals.
Yeah, of course.
Yes, you donors, you deserve medals. And when I say medals, I don't mean gold, I don't mean silver, I don't mean bronze.
What do you mean?
You know what kind of medal they need, Kino?
Which one?
Diamond.
Jeez.
And platinum.
Oh.
You donors, those two medals, yeah, you need. You don't want no gold or silver or no bronze. Yeah, man. And good afternoon to all my donors, them.
Yeah.
Yeah, love you know. I'm big up my friend in Miami. I don't remember Ali tell me his name, but he's my good friend Kino.
Yeah.
He meets me at the airport.
Okay.
Yeah, he and him four son.
Yeah.
But he told me, no, him tell Ali, I watch him watch a program up there and saw me. And like him son him and said, Daddy, yo, you remember him where they meet at the airport? And him said, oh, Juki Jam. But he never knew me to get injured by a truck.
Oh.
So when him, you know, hear what and him say touch him hard. Yeah, and then I don't know how Holly get his number, but Holly bring the phone come and gave me. Yeah, and I spoke with him.
Yeah.
And whatever, he asked me what size shoes, what size clothes, and you got what I'm saying?
Yeah.
He buy up a lot of clothes for me, man.
I mean,
all of them colors in a car. All of the clothes.
Straight colors.
Yeah, cause him know what I mean, say colors.
Cause you know somebody literally called me and I say, that guy Juki, where in the state he was before?
Oh my gosh.
Spot him fly before. Tell me I said the accent.
Never flew on a plane.
Man, never. I said no, never fly. Tell them where you learned the accent.
Well, so I was at the airport a very long time, you know.
How much years now?
Yeah, meeting people, get off flights.
How much years now at the airport?
Roughly around 30 years, man.
30 years.
Roughly about 30 years.
35.
25?
35.
35. Yeah, I think liquor ride. Yeah, man. So I always meet up people getting on the flights and hear they twanging.
Yeah.
And say, you know, like me, I say, you know, I want to speak like them people.
Yeah.
And gradually, I just, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, till I get it. Cause if my friend from Miami, Kino, you know what he told Holly? When Holly bring the phone, I said, Juki, listen to this voice note. You know what? When I listen to the voice note, hey, Juki, you can't tell nobody say you never live in the States, man. I'll never live up here, y'all talk better than me, man.
Just.
Yeah.
No joke.
Real, man.
Everything good otherwise.
Yeah, man, I say Kino more than good. Kino more than good, brother. I can't complain. I rather helicopter more than complain. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, because this jacuzzi bed here, oh my gosh. Whenever time I lay on it, man.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Whenever time I spread out in it.
Yeah.
Just look at me, man, in it.
Just
Oh
bigger
my
than
gosh. In seconds.
you start sleep.
I start asleep. I can't even watch a movie. Just like in the day now, you know. I don't really sleep at the day, but when it touch night,
Yeah. In a
I can't
second.
oh my gosh.
Have a donation for you now.
Yeah, you told me, you know.
Have a donation for you from Andrew British.
Andrew British.
Yeah, and the wife from London. How are you
London.
London.
Oh my gosh.
From
Hey.
London.
What's his name? What's his name?
Andrew British
Oh,
and
okay.
wife. $2,000.
Okay. Big respect, you know, Andrew British and your wife. You get what I'm saying, man?
Yeah.
I thanks for this $2,000, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you know, say, hey, if me get a chance to touch the States, you know.
Yeah.
Well, even London, but they want to good again, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, Andrew and your wife. Yeah, man.
Blessings and gift.
Long time.
You don't know the thing about Jokey, you know.
Yes, man.
People's them champ.
Oh my gosh, man. For real, bro.
The man was so grateful.
No, brother, I'm mad. And look what the donors them do for my brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Can't stop talking about one of people. Night and day, me have to talk about one. And keep me talk about you to Kino. Yeah, cause if I never you, and I have to big up the dream teams them too.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they painted, they fixed the damn ceiling. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, cause the ceiling was looking very, oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Boy, I'm glad they're grateful still, I'm not lie, because
Yeah.
boy, Prince, a lot of people ask the Prince and I know Prince can't turn and come give her helping and I really love what you do.
You see, in life, you cannot be ungrateful.
Mr. Prince turn up and smoke weed.
Yeah, that's what I heard, man.
You see me, I mean,
cannot be
all this
ungrateful,
time we
bro.
are calling you to come give you a helping hand, you all know you can't give us a helping hand.
Can't do
But
that,
then you
brother.
can't come show me, so you have to
Yeah,
smoke weed.
you
But
cannot be ungrateful,
so we
Bridget.
have to give thanks to
Oh, you mean?
people like you who show their appreciation and the gratitude
Yes.
for the people.
Right now, my sorry, I couldn't even see you donors, we even go like this. I'm touch you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause right now, my life was unhappy. And right now, I'm so happy. I'm happy tell me can't happy no more.
Oh.
Yeah, cause even when my brethren from Miami told me that, yo, Juki, you know, I'm sharpening for you.
Oh.
Kino, my next glad bag get burst. Because I have so many glad bags.
Jeez.
You know what I'm saying, man?
Too much.
Oh my gosh. Again, I'm gonna make a next one that bursting.
Oh.
Yeah, you see, man?
Never know. Some
So
love what you
donors,
keep
me
the
love you
place.
now. Can't stop loving now. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year when it come. You get what I'm saying? Yeah.
Alright then, so give thanks man and go and big up yourself.
Long time.
So you go and clean up your place, say me clean, you
So
know?
man, I have to keep it so clean, you know, cause first of all, your aunt, no one then she passed around here.
Yeah.
If she came around here and it ain't looking right,
You know,
you know she
problem.
go talk up. You get me sprag? And when you come, she go say, Kino, you know say, Juki and, you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I can't make you guys feel no way. As I wake up in the morning, yeah, get my family shirt, sweep it out first, and you get what I'm saying?
Speak and span.
Oh my gosh. Yeah,
So
man.
the floor shine
Yeah,
and glow.
oh my gosh. Hey, donors, you see all in the Christmas, when Kino come video around here, you ain't gonna believe.
Yeah.
Because
North Pole.
curtain, gonna match sheet, oh my gosh. The way we're gonna set up this place.
Christmas tree.
Oh my gosh. You guess what I'm saying, man?
Man,
Yeah.
Jokey, big up yourself, man.
Long time.
We are continuing the journey.
Yeah, man.
And the people them glad to see every time, you know?
Yes, man. I know that Kino, man.
So you know start to give boy the opening. We're gonna have a second street over Natisha.
That is when?
Soon.
Okay.
Because we finish our boy shop now and give him the opening after soon. So you know so the second street.
You know what are they doing to ask Kino? What are they doing to ask you again? When is it we gonna go to that radio station there?
Oh, radio station? No, we're not going.
Oh.
We're gonna speak online.
Okay.
Over the phone.
Okay.
So it's the 12th of December. We're gonna be live on the air. Love Bay Music Talk Radio in Canada.
Kino, you know what one of your family told me? That Shara. She told me that she was watching my thing on her phone.
Yeah.
And a girl, she was commenting about me, you know.
Wow.
She said she would like my number. But pity she don't know I ain't got a phone. But my brethren who sending me the clothes, he's sending me a phone.
Okay.
So you girls,
yeah,
you soon got my number.
Juke them, jam them.
Juke them, jam them. AKA Mr. Colors.
Class.
I'm out.
Out.
Love you all. Yeah.
Find the key.
You find the key?
Yeah.
You see? So the key never lost, the key was there. So you lock now?
Yeah.
Alright, you see, come I know the key is there somewhere. I'm glad you find the key. You plumb me, am I right? You want gone?
It's a 49 hours.
Or in the house? Okay. Alright, then go on.
Mackerel and butter bean in there, you know. Chop stew with mackerel, you know.
It's a chop stew with mackerel.
Yeah, man.
Whoa! That's the one I go on a chop stew with butter.
Yeah, man. Chop stew with mackerel, you know.
Chop stew with. Whoa! Chop stew with mackerel.
Yeah, man. Chop stew with mackerel with baked bean.
Yeah.
Yeah. Butter bean in it, I want you gone, you know.
They're gone.
Yeah, man, I want you gone, you know, where Jack in about it, gone somewhere.
See there?
Yeah, man, gone
Chop
somewhere,
stew
you know.
with mackerel.
Yeah, man.
You have mackerel and baked bean.
Yeah, man.
And that's the Italian spikes here.
Look, we'll take the next island, show if you want to come on ice, but you know, where we put it in there, man. See where we put it in. Yeah, man, see it, you know.
Bubble butter, bubble. Bubble butter, bubble.
Look at the water change color, because the banana them change it, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, man, switch you off and look at water already, you know, check.
Yeah. Banana. Dumpling.
Yeah, man, see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you know what I'm dumpling? Yeah, man, cart wheel, we no drive, no local wheel.
Yeah.
Cart wheel dumpling them, yeah.
Cart wheel.
Original Jamaican cart wheel.
Oh.
With banana and look at yam.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, see that? Yeah, man. When I see what I'm going to come back, look a bit from now.
Yeah.
Drop the water and get it proper. You see me?
Yeah.
Oh, Love Bay radio station.
Love Bay.
Love Bay radio
I
station.
keep on forget it.
Love Bay, only for respecting
Big up the Love Bay station.
Oh, yeah, man, it's Love Bay. Yes, you name I come around and say, look at the interview. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You see me?
Big up the Love Bay station.
Whoa, Love Bay.
Whitey bleach and blue say
Whoa.
big up the Love Bay station.
Whoa.
Tune into the radio station. Whoa.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, watch
Carrot
a bit of
juice.
tune there.
Carrot juice out your face, you know. Canada, Toronto.
Big up the Love Bay station. Whoa, we're big up that one. 12th of December, you know, we're live on Love Bay Music Talk Radio in Canada.
Yes.
Straight.
See, 12th of December come. Have a proper song phone in the Love Bay.
Yeah.
And the song they have to play the song before we are Canada, you know.
Yes,
Big up the Love Bay station.
Whoa.
So,
Yeah.
man.
So see, so the shop are complete.
Yeah, man.
I understand, so we just want some more paint now. Paint off the side and
Yeah, man.
the rest of the pieces, them and then the counter, the rest of the counter, then go.
Whoa.
I will just line up the whole chef
Yeah, man.
opening so we can move on to Natisha.
Yes, man.
So the chef sing gone in there already. You see me? Big up to the secret place of the most high.
Secret place of the most high.
Yo, after spikes, what go on? People that need the ital, you know.
Come in.
If they need the ital, you know, what go on? They get an ital for a good week now, you know.
Yeah, man, I eat rice and peas back up tomorrow.
Yes, ital, people that want to back some ital. What kind of ital we can get from you?
I will first. Jai go rice and peas tomorrow.
Yeah.
And we are going to steam some vegetables because we can't get for prepared on a large scale the things that we want because it's too expensive. You understand? So we have to just lead simple for now.
Some the pumpkin stew. You know, like pumpkin stew before.
Pumpkin stew, every day something, man.
Oh, so we need something different, man.
Next chef this, you know. It's not chef here. I tell chef this.
Right.
Yeah, man. Who can get veggie chunks?
No vegetable chunks, that's what we start eating still.
I'm not strictly vegan.
But we can prepare for instance some curry chunks with some tongue can meal, you see?
Yeah, next vegetable on the side.
Yeah, man, we have vegetables on the side. All of them something.
Wow!
Or the callaloo rice. One by the callaloo rice.
I'm going to blend up some sour sap juice too.
Alright.
Wow!
It's about time.
Yo, tomorrow.
Tomorrow people, my day are full.
You have sour sap juice now. You know 4 about sugar, you know? You know 4 about sugar, man. Granulated there, man.
No, man, we don't use granulated.
Only use granulated?
No, straight cane sugar.
Alright! Sugar there, anyway, take it still, man. You see?
Big up. Whoa.
Love the station. Whoa!
Whoa.
Yeah, man. Whoa, if I respect all the owners, you know?
Yeah. So.
Cover and done people, that's it, no?
So this is called seti.
The rainy season.
You cover it down.
Yeah, to cover it done. I want to be outside, really.
Yeah.
And these are the 2 arms,
Oh,
the
this.
big one and that.
Oh, this are the.
Yeah, the 2 arms.
It's a 2 arm.
Yeah, that's the big one. Further there. So how it looks like.
Oh, this are the one of the single chair.
Yeah, single chair.
Okay.
So they can
Free them up already. Yeah, God. Free them up. So you're gonna need the cloth and then the good thing there.
Because a nail we use really frame.
Yeah.
Yeah. Normally you have a steel the gun, bigger one we use a staple. They short up the frame more faster.
Yeah.
But to a nail,
Yeah.
take a little time.
Take a little time.
Yeah.
Okay, see the shape already, the thing. So what do you get the compressor?
Yes, man.
And you say you need to get the gun next, the staple gun. Yeah, for the compressor, you have the hose. So well, I have a little surprise for you.
Yeah.
I have a donor from overseas where I watch the video. When you get the compressor, and when you mention say you need to get your gun now, so you go check it out. So you don't have to check it out no more.
Yeah.
Because if a donor from Florida, named Steady, will send the staple gun for you. So this is from Steady from Florida. So look on that and let me know if I the right thing.
Yes, man. It's the same one we use now for put on the clothes.
Yeah,
See? Yeah, man. Steady from
Florida.
Florida. Enough love and enough respect, you know. Yeah, man. This are the right one, my brother.
Yeah.
Man. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
And Nana, you see me?
Yeah, so that's Steady from Florida. Steady from Florida. Big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
For this
Respect
staple gun for
from
car.
Florida, man.
See there?
See there? This
you
are
now have to look
put
no
on
more.
clothes and make you see what it look like, you know.
Yeah.
See, this are when it naked.
Yeah.
Yeah, I put on the clothes and things. Make you see what it look. You see?
Yeah.
Enough respect again to all I donors there.
Reach out.
See, I reach out to each and every one.
So you have everything now complete for the compressor and everything.
Yeah, man, because I have the hose done.
Yeah.
So I'm going to hook it up. Next time, I make you see it when it work. And you see it?
When you put on the clothes.
Yeah, now we get it now. I make you see when I put on the clothes.
See it
Clothes finish. You
a
see
friend in need, man, is a friend indeed.
Definitely, man.
You see there, so that I eat. So your dream kind of accomplished now, because you say this you always want to do.
Yeah, man.
And this is a
Trade,
great
man.
start.
Something I love. Never get to endorse it, because my stepfather, him are the man who teach me trade.
Yeah.
You see, I'm kind of heal away still.
Yeah.
I want to do something can say the way.
Yeah.
The way, you see?
Yeah, true.
So we appreciate this again.
Yeah, man.
Enough respect and enough love, man. Each and every one. Steady respect again. Yeah, man, I make you proud, brother.
Yeah, man,
Yes.
time I go see when you start shoot up and put on the clothes on it and everything, and when you're ready, so the donors you can make an order, you know.
Man.
So
I
we
have
can
big
put you
one.
an order from now.
But you can't all up there.
Have a big one.
Yeah, it's a set, you know. These are the 2 armchairs.
Yeah.
The bigger one, but you the under the cellar.
Okay.
Yeah, so through the rainy season, we don't have no clothes, shelter,
Yeah.
dust,
Put it
chop
up.
out.
Yeah, chop out.
That's it, no wet up.
So yesterday you go turn for your little workshop.
Yeah, man.
So you go put up a shelter and everything up there, son.
Yeah, this is how it's struggle. The dream team, one of the dream team member, my little
Yeah. Juki, that's a cottage.
about this. You see?
Juki, that's a cottage.
We are turning it in a
Workshop.
workshop, right?
Yeah, man.
Have a look at us, this and turn the park in a
Yeah.
workshop.
Really happy and glad say you have where you can start your mission now, you know?
Yes, man.
You don't know you have the talent, so you can't go to waste. So we give thanks for doing now. We send a compressor for you. You understand, and give thanks to Teddy. So you know you got the staple gun now where you can start the journey.
Yeah,
So donors when you're ready, man, you can put it in order from now before them gone, see it, yeah?
yeah, man.
Support call. So we are call your business company now.
Well, to be frank, we don't really
Have the name
have
there
the
yet.
name there yet. Cause
Yeah, I think about it.
yeah,
Alright then.
because you don't know. We don't also want to rush it people. Want everything we have put out the right thing.
Yeah,
Just like how they on the gym team and I do the right thing.
Yeah, true.
So it's all about the right thing. See me? Yeah, man, I respect again to the donor them, you know. And when we get the compressor, get the gun, and thing, all donors, enough
Big up.
love and enough respect.
Yeah.
Yeah, because all heap of good youth there, you know. We have talent and skill, you see?
Yeah.
But that's just because they have to just stay focused, like what we are doing.
Yeah, true.
To make it work.
Of course.
Because everything that do this started, we don't get the help.
Yeah, true.
See, so you have to start.
So your father got help those who are trying to help themselves.
Make the rest happen.
Yeah.
The Kino come, highlight the thing, and make it happen. You see?
Yeah.
So, donors, respect again. Kino, enough love, enough
Yeah,
manners.
man. Give thanks to donors.
Dream team member them. See?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Alright then, give thanks.
Yeah, make them go and see the man.
So this is my Christmas fruit cakes, and these are the 1 pounds in which I get orders for. And
Oh, that may look good.
yes,
Them thing you are going with. The fruit cake look nice, but not like.
yep. And this is me, Trisha. So the 1 pound is for 1,250. The 2 pound cake is for 2,500, and the 3 pound cake is for 3,500. And I'm gonna cut one right now for a sample.
I'm thinking I'm going in a TrenchTown. Then I look nice, but not like. I like the presentation as well.
Yep.
Sorry, anybody want Christmas fruit cake?
Yep.
Tell them your name and tell them where you are.
Alright, my name is Trisha and I'm on West Road, Rima. If you come and you ask anybody for Mon, they will direct you to me. Yes, and it's really reasonable and it tastes good. So I'm gonna cut one so I can give Kino a sample.
So them 7 times, when I look come sample. Oh, Peter!
Alright.
Peter! Come here, man, Peter. Yeah, man, yeah, in the scene, man. This is her husband. This is a good friend of mine who grew up together. Yeah. Peter, the business they are going to come for percentage. Come on. So I look to go sample the fruit cake. Look at going around there. And you know, this is the Christmas big sale right here in TrenchTown.
Come on, man, big cake.
Mon thing.
We do it every year.
Every year.
And sometimes we do it like how some birthday cake, I should walk around and make cake and sell ordinary
This
cake.
one.
Yeah. like the presentation.
And then bake today.
And bake today. So often you bake?
Hey, come take a look at how when it come out.
It's a fast.
Cook or anything. So
Yeah.
you can remember spatula. Yeah, you have spatula. Oh, that one nice. And you see how nicely it come up. You see how nicely it come out and everything. And she don't have to wet it. You can look at the texture of it. This is a spatula and it will just go right through it.
Yeah.
You see the texture of it?
Yeah.
It
From
is.
when you say anything come
It
on
do
the
not
spatula,
tight.
you know, say
It's
yeah.
not tight, it's not heavy. Yeah.
And it tastes gorgeous. It tastes the rum and the wine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you know, I just said that because you know, right?
Right, no, I said that to me no one.
It's pretty moist,
Can
yeah,
smell
nice.
everything.
And it can stay up to 3 weeks on your countertop like this.
Yeah.
Until you're ready, you can just wet it with your
it with
wine
the
and your rum. And
Yeah.
Because it has been a lot of rum and a lot of wine, so it can keep a long time.
Yeah. So this is the Christmas big sale. So tell them again where you are.
Alright, so I'm in TrenchTown, Rima, and West Road. If you come and you ask for Mun, yes, you can get your Christmas cake, and my number is 3278848.
Tell them I repeat it again. Tell them
So
here.
it's 3278848. Yes, and this is where it's all done. Yes.
So this is the lovely kitchen as well.
Yes,
So.
where it's all done. Alright, so you can get your Christmas fruit cake, and the presentation is also very good.
And it's not too sweet and it's not too fresh.
Yes, yes,
Yeah, because it's looking lovely. Man, I like.
yeah. And it
looking
smells
lovely.
nice too.
Yeah, I hear you smell cakey.
And there smell cake,
Yeah.
right?
Cake all over. It smells nice, man. I tell them. Right, there you go. So she brought this to my attention, so you know, so we have to highlight these little good deeds that are going on at the place. So if you can get the support,
Yeah.
yeah, we really appreciate that. So people now already hear the number, so they can contact her and make an order. So are you deliver as well too?
Yes, I will deliver if you guys want.
Anywhere in Kingston?
Yes, anywhere in Kingston.
So you
It will
go-
cost you a little bit more for
Okay.
the delivery.
Okay.
I will deliver.
Alright then, from the country and overseas. Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
just contact me and we will get to that part.
Yes.
Alright?
Alright, so give thanks, yeah? Alright.
Alright, mama.
Watch you now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch you now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.